Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza, and I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Doing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And I'm here with a new video regarding how to fix your Google Ads suspended account. So fixing a Google Ads suspended account can be an issue hurdle, especially for someone who is trying to advertise for the first time in Google, or someone who has got their account suspended a while ago and going to try to come again to run ads, or someone who is running already and suddenly they see that their account is get suspended. Once you see such a shock, you are like, oh, I'm spending money and my business is dependent on Google Ads, or Google Ads is a marketing part strategy of my acquiring customers, or it's another channel to gain customers. In either way, you are going to suffer loss due to this suspension. And I sorry to say that this suspension is actually a very disastrous experience for anyone who is running online campaigns. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your Google Ads suspended account and story of a recently restored account by my team. But just in case if you need our services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. So without wasting any time, let's get started on this. So here you can see the account which is unsuspended. You can see over here that your account is unsuspended, and let me even show you over here that the account has recently got unsuspended and started to spend money as well. Okay, and you can see over here your account is unsuspended even though the advertiser verification is not yet done. Okay, so for those who don't know that, because we have a service and we frequently restore accounts for our customers and consumers, so which is why we often see videos from us regarding this. So now the question is, what type of a country this is targeting? This is targeting niche, high targeting developed country. Sorry, I'm not going to disclose the country due to the client's privacy, but you can assume that it's either USA, UK, Australia, first our country. Now the question is, when the account got suspended. The account was actually new when it got suspended. Uh, Now the third question: did the client have any other Google Ads account active? Yes, the client have other Google Ads account active as well, and because they created this account for a separate purpose, which is why they created this, and they suddenly saw the error of suspension on their account, which was very tough and very disastrous, or very bad thing for them. So what we did, once we did, okay, we have a complete checkup and audit. Okay, for a website audit, we are going to see about us page, contact us page, terms of service, return, refund, coding issues, issues in checkout system, any possible placeholder errors. And once we are done with this, then we move on to the account section. On the account section, what we do is to analyze billing profile, look around on ads, look around on ads, see any action which can cause sudden suspension, which can cause sudden suspension. So we looked all around on these things, before even making a appeal, or to file a case with Google. So we have our own investigation and own our checkup, checklist through which we determine these things. Now because we have a dedicated support from Google, because we are a Google partner company, so we have a staff who constantly is in touch with the Google team to get our customer accounts restored. And yeah, this is always a teamwork. It's not possible without a team. So we have a team who actually follow up with our clients as well as with our with the Google team regarding restoration of these accounts. So now once we did, and I just have already shown you that the account is restored. So the process is not difficult at all. What you have to do, is to you have to be patient, to get them restored, and we provide such services in case if you need. So this is another successful case study regarding Google Ads account, and I told you a quick way on how to fix the Google Ads account. because once you are done with this, what we did was to, there is an appeal form over here. You can see over here, and in an account you can see the appeal form over here, and you can appeal through that, and this is exactly what we did. But because we have a dedicated support and we know the checklist, which is why I assumed that you might need our help. But before I ask for help, I want you guys to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever we create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So in case if you need Google Ads restoration, unsuspension, or even for management of Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, web development services, me and my team can gladly help you. The details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. So if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.